This is the short story of Smokey the Dalmatian Dog's first visit to Veterans Park. Smokey, the Dalmatian dog, had always been a curious pup. His days typically consisted of romping through the backyard, playing in his sandbox, and napping in the sun. But one sunny day, something even more exciting happened. "Hey Smokey, how about we do something different today?" Within minutes, they were on their way. The park was expansive, with lush greenery, winding paths, and a serene pond at its heart. As they strolled along the paved paths, Smokey darted playfully through the open spaces, his spots a blur against the green backdrop, exploring every new area and scent that his nose detected. After an afternoon of exploring, a tired Smokey laid in the back seat of the car on the way home. He couldn't help but dream about his next adventure, wherever it might take him. Thanks for watching.